Good morning. It's 10:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we're going to take a look at the criteria for what a blizzard consists of. So, just off Wikipedia, we don't have to get too technical, but to be a blizzard, snowstorm must have sustained winds of frequent gusts that are greater than or equal to 55 kilometers per hour, or 56, which is 35 miles per hour, with blowing or drifting snow, which reduces visibility 400 meters, aka 25, a quarter of a mile or less, and must last for a prolonged period of time, typically 3 hours or more. Believe it or not, we will meet that from what the models are showing near Christmas Eve. It will be technically the day before Christmas Eve when we see the heart of it. Let's go right into the 6 a.m. model run. So we're going to take a look. I'm going to fast forward to the storm. So here we go. Let's see. Here comes the Arctic air by the 22nd. Then it collides with precipitation, moisture, and then here we go. It just blows up right along the Ohio River Valley. And we're talking sustained winds with this 978 millibar load that would easily make it to 30 sustained winds, like the definition said. So, and then it moves off to the northeast. But again, the main point is that this storm, based off the latest model guidance, would reach a blizzard criteria. Now, it wouldn't be like a blizzard that you get that lasts 1 or 2 days or 24 hours, I should say. It's going to be a short blizzard, but it will be a blizzard, like a legit blizzard, because we're going to meet the official definition of it. So there's your treat, guys. If you like the snow, from the 23rd to the 24th, anywhere in Ohio, Indiana. Let's see. We're going to take a look at the snowfall amounts in a second, but there's your Christmas treat. This is looking very likely now. It's not. The chances of this not happening are pretty slim. I'm going to give another update after the latest model guidance comes out. But last but not least, let's take a look at the latest GFS snowfall output from the 6 a.m. run for the storm. And again, Indiana just going to get walloped. A foot of snow with wind-whipped conditions. 22 inches in Detroit. Cleveland, 6 inches or more. So again, this will be windy. It will be cold, Arctic air. We actually had a high of 13 degrees forecasted by the local news station for this time frame. So this is going to be a blizzard with all the criteria. Cold Arctic air, wind-whipped conditions, heavy snow, blinding whiteout conditions at times. So anywhere, here's the snowfall amounts. Anywhere where there's pink or gray, very hefty snowfall from the storm system. So these are the areas right now that look to be affected based on the latest model guidance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and more updates to come.